Okay, so this is the start of this video. Me and my colleague Richard. Hello, Richard.
Trying to get my penis in it. All right.
Your penis?
Well, I like mapping them naked, bottom half.
Oh, right, okay.
I don't want the customers to see that.
Okay, sure. So I'll keep your penis out of this. So this video...
Talking of penises.
Talking of penises, there's Jason. Right, in all seriousness. So this video is a Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart on no 9 plate, which we will show you. And it's had some work this morning due to he wanted it to be mapped, so we made sure that it had its timing belt done. So Jason has successfully done its timing belt. It's also had a full service with NGK spark plugs. That saves us doing the health check and making sure that they're correct. So oil and filter, NGK spark plugs, got an ITG panel filter in it, and it's been through some health checks on the ramps, hasn't it, Richard?
Yes, Daniel.
Yes, Daniel. And we found a few things that we will show you in some photographs coming up next, which is basically a homebrew front mount intercooler kit, but the pipe work, none of it was beaded. So when we up the boost today doing this map, we run the risk of blowing those boost pipes off without beads. So
clamps,
yeah, lots of mid-claw clamps. So we replaced all the rubbish T-bar clamps for some decent Jubilee clips, and and we did some alley beading.
Yeah, beaded the alley piles, cut them level instead of looking like they've been done by a knife and fork by the council.
Knife and fork, dog chewed them up.
Yeah, dog chewed them up. Dog bow mount, just replaced the bushes in it.
Dog bow mount, bushes, used Powerflex bushes.
Yeah.
So burnt the old ones out, put the new ones in. Again, we got some photographs of that. And then you modified the turbo outlet pipe for the homebrew from that intercooler kit.
Yeah, because it got a silicone on there, but it was burning through on the downpipe, which is quite common. People just turn the outlet pipe the wrong way round, but unfortunately it's not long enough, and it just drives into the...
So a little modification there.
Just added a little bit into that. I think again you've got pictures of that, haven't you?
Yeah, I have. So it's warm in here, that's why we've started the video in the car, because it's pretty cold outside, so I'm just getting a bit of a warm off this. So we're going to do a standard power run now. So from inside the car, rate of change. So we're calibrating it to 3,000 RPM. Richard will give Jason a thumbs up. That thumbs up signifies that the dyno knows the speed that the rollers are travelling and the speed that the car's travelling. And now we're going to do a full power standard power run. Here we go. It's nice and comfy in here, Rich, and it's not so loud. What are you looking for? VTEC?
Yeah, when's VTEC?
You don't get VTEC on these, mate. You get MyVec. It's just as cool, mate. It's just as cool.
Not very good, is it?
MyVec's just as cool, ain't it, Mitsubishi fans?
Oh, we just made 121 wheels.
That's not bad going. These are about 147 brake stock. Yeah, it's warm in here, and it's not, I can't smell any fumes in here, and it's not cold, and it's not noisy. I like your job, Rich.
What's not then? You do the mapping, and I'll stand by the computer.
Yeah, that sounds great to me. Let's get on that.
Messing around on my phone.
Yeah, well, you know, I've got to be doing something out there, haven't I? Messing about. You love these YouTube videos. What's all the lights on the dash for, Rich? I know the answer to this, but would you like to explain what the lights are?
No, because I've explained it every Saturday for the last 10 years and I don't want to.
The rear wheels on this car are not moving, so therefore the ABS, traction lights and all that are on. But there you go. Right, standard power on done. Let's see what we've got. So she made 150 brake horsepower stock format. That's not so bad. That's not so bad at all. What are you doing now, Rich? None of your business, Dan.
Yeah, mind my own business.
Nice looking car. What do you reckon to these blue stripes? Drop a message in the comments below if you like these blue stripes. Do you like them, Rich?
I don't like anything, mate.
I know you don't. I just like to ask you for a laugh to see whether you like it. Do you like life, Richard? No. Blue stripes. What's he doing? Let's do the software update.
If you'd been doing your job half hour ago when you should have been, we wouldn't now be waiting for you, would we?
Oh, you're not waiting for me. You're waiting for Ecutek.
I'm waiting for you.
You shut up.
Whose responsibility is it?
Yeah, okay. So I've got to do a software update. So this is going to take this long.
The EPS man's here if you want another excuse to do no.
Okay. To quote the Mandalorian, this is the way. Well, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Richard has worked his magic. Bearing in mind this is almost a stock car. Look at the gains. So the blue gate, obviously the blue line is after when we've tuned it, and the red line is before. Plenty of power under the graph there, so that's going to feel amazing on the road. Customer will be happy. And we've got ourselves an end figure of 196 brake horsepower and 220 foot-pound. However you cut it, that's a 46 brake horsepower increase. 50 foot-pound increase. Yep, there you go. That's what we do. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And yeah, stay safe.